All right, check this out. Bestarc reached out to me to see if I could review this welder. This is pretty cool. This does a lot of functions. You can MIG weld with it with gas. Let's see where you can add the gas if you have argon. You can also stick weld with it, which is pretty cool. You can use flux core wire with it. So if you don't have gas, use flux core, which is what we're going to try out today. And also TIG weld with it if you have the TIG weld attachment. We are going to use this on some projects, but today we're just going to try it out, see how it works. We'll load it up. Just cut a clean cut here. Push down, twist. Slides off. Oops. Don't want that to unwind. Slide this through. Use the correct tip. Close that. Tighten that a little bit. Should be good. So when you're using the flux core gasless function, you want to have the ground wire on the left side of it, and you put that there. So it makes it real easy. If you're using gas, you just do the opposite with that. Stick, you're going to have the ground on the left side and the stick on the right side. And then if you're doing TIG welding, it's going to be a little different as well. So pretty cool. And then you can see you can add your argon. Oh, so your argon's going to go straight to the TIG. That's if you're that. Cool. All right. So read the directions, make sure you have these hooked up correctly, whether you're using gasless or whether you're using gas welding. This is how we have this set up for this, for what we're doing. A wire brush, clean up the metal. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's all digital. It's hard to see because of the camera, but it's not flashing like that like you see. It's pretty cool. There we go. Doesn't look great. That looks better. Towards the top I started getting some decent settings, so I think you just got to play with the settings and figure this out a little bit. I'll get it. Obviously I need some practice with this a little bit, but I'm actually pretty happy with it. It works well. Some of the other budget welders I've used have almost like a chattering sensation. If you have used one, maybe you know what I'm talking about. It almost like pulsates, and this doesn't. This one is very smooth. Everything works pretty well. Even I tried to fill in some of the holes and I was able to fill in. So you gotta play with the adjustments a little bit, but so far I'm happy with it. I mean, those are strong. These are what I call functional welds. All right, go ahead, make fun of me. All right, let's try. I'm gonna try multiple different levels. See what happens. Let's try turning it up. Turn it up to 75 amps. Yeah, I should be wearing my welding gloves. You can definitely tell that was a lot hotter. It's going even higher. Go to 80 amps. Oh, that's good. All right, let's go a little higher. 90 amps. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. 80 amps looks like probably where I'd go with, you know. So you got to play with it a little bit. For me, I'm actually better off using the flux core welding versus the shielding gas. I'm constantly welding outside, so if you're welding and it's windy out, which it is a lot of the times, then it's gonna just blow away. So I'm better off with flux core. You know, I didn't burn any holes. Not too bad. It works. All right, so definitely check this out. I really like it. It works well. I'm excited to do other projects with it. The MIG145 works well. Definitely gonna practice a little bit more, but it's pretty cool. Thanks, Bestarc. Check it out.